Superhero status, no masks, no gadgets. Send them villains at us. We ain't scared of action. We ain't characters capping. Ability to leak buildings. If you blink, you won't catch it.
Audio.
Dope.
Audio.
Dope.
Audio.
Dope.
Audio.
Dope.
Your controls.
My control.
Your controls. All right.
Your control. I control. Your control.
Always on time, I'm never petty, yeah, I'm always ready. That's why my
right,
shit
go for
flows
it,
slow
Sally.
with steady pitches on getting.
All right.
I don't complain,
Alpha
I don't
Bravo
blame.
Charlie
Know when my
dubbed
time is done, I move to the side. I don't want nothing to prove to these guys. If y'all was moving like
And
nines
from slavery on up, in other words, to keep him subservient.
Oh, sip your peoples, that should keep you peaceful.
The beginnings of the 99th Fighter Squadron.
Truth, your personal hurt, you unleash on the
The
first.
Black Press, the NAACP, and with the help of Mrs. Roosevelt.
Okay, and you get to search the place.
You're doing that
Superhero
security.
status, no masks, no gadgets. Send them villains at us. We ain't scared of action. We ain't characters capping. Ability to leak buildings. If you blink, you won't catch it.
Audio.
Dope.
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 On pythons, spitting that
That whole thing, man, I was very impressed.
Stars like I'm reaching for the pylon. I seen you on the sideline. You need to walk a fine line. Need to read the guidelines instead of reading the timelines. Where everybody like line. Nobody
Charles
flow
McGee
like
was so
mine.
big on, you know, just kind of paying.
Like crime. Tongue I never bite mine. Got dough like taekwondo. To spend all this money, I'ma have to spend a lifetime. You broke, can't even buy time. Your dough needs is a lifeline. No money on my mind. And I be on your I hit her with the knee bomb, then pass it down the pipeline. But actually we
Focus on this, and then forget to look outside. How was it when you were coming up?
Bumpy as fuck. I got my speak. Problems I got 99. Bugatti Byron. Take off with no flight time. Bad needs for the passengers side. She don't even like flying.
Using your watch.
Maybe this is actually our first flight.
Low credit, high crime.
And when they understand that, oh, now they're going to school with a
Catch up
purpose.
like Hans, Weezy and my slime knives. Ain't nobody like eyes, like bygones. Gotta let icons be icons. Hi moms. Hi moms. Hi moms. Hi moms.
Big as the what? Big as the Super Bowl. Thirsty to put me a beat.
Alright, you got it. You got the controls.
Yeah, Kyle.
Just start sucking my teeth. I'm letting it rock cause I love the mystique. I still wanna give me a song where I be. Can't trust everything that you saw on IG. Just know if I diss you, I make sure you know that I hit you like I'm on your caller ID. I'm naming the album to fall off. It's pretty ironic cause it ain't no follow for me. Still in this getting bigger. They waiting on the kid to come drop like a father to be. Love when they argue the hardest MC. Is it K-Dot, is it Aubrey or me? We the big three like we started a league. But right now I feel like Muhammad Ali. Yeah, Muhammad Ali, the one that they call when they connecting no more. Feel like I got a job in IT. Rhyming with me is the biggest mistake. The Spider-Man meme is me looking at Drake. It's like we recruited your homies to be